Mopresidente o re wentse kopo ho poto ya Eskom hore e kgine hanyane mohato wa yona ha o kenya tshebetsong kopo ya ho nyolla ditheko ka ha kimollo wa motlakase e ntse e tswela pele.
What I have said to the board, I've said in the light of the load shedding that our people are going through now, I would propose that you as the board, and it is the board that must deliberate on this, that you as the board consider postponing this so that it must not be implemented now and negatively impact on our people.
Empa maikutlo a ditsebi ditabeng tsa molao a re Mopresidente ha ana matla a etsa kopo e jwalo ka ha sena e le ho itshunya kaka mosebetsing wa Eskom.
The announcement by the President that he was going to request Eskom to hold the increase of 18% that was determined by Nersa is basically unprocedural and most probably unconstitutional on the basis that the division of powers between what the government can do and what the state-owned enterprises can do is such that it doesn't require any interference on the part of the state.
Mopresidente o dumela hore Eskom ha e ka kgina mohato ona sena se tla imolla baahi bothateng ba ho kgaolwa kgafetsa ha phepelo ya motlakase.